Today, in memory of our Green Circle active member, Mr. Bairwa, we will keep silence for 1 minute. Thank you, friends. I could not get Bhagat Singh, his son, today for our meeting. His ring is going on, but he's not picking up. But still, we would like to, uh, give him our message through the Zoom recording here. I'll just send it to him. Uh, exactly 1 year has passed, and I am unable to understand how this 1 year has gone because it appears as if only yesterday he has called us. His son has called me and told that he has to be admitted in Venkateshwar Hospital. Bhairava, um, he before he settled down in Dwarka, he came and participated in our all our programs. The first and important program was the Dharna which we had in front of Brahma apartment against garbage burning, in which he was taking the lead role and leading the march, Dharna march. So this is a thing which we cannot forget. Recently we have seen that video also. इन ग्रीन सर्कल ऑल्सो हम लोग उसको डाला है, ग्रुप में डाला था. तो उसके बाद कई प्रोग्राम पे, हर प्रोग्राम पे कृष्णा अपार्टमेंट में या ब्रह्मा अपार्टमेंट में या तो केसन के यहाँ पे सेक्टर 3-4 में या कहीं भी हमारे जो श्रमदान होता था उसमें फर्स्ट पर्सन टू कम वाज आवर Bhairava ji. And Bhairava ji will not wait for anybody else. He will start picking up very, very religiously. इतना काम करता था, but I really feel his absence even today. And today we were discussing about visit to Tilpat in the Biodiversity Park. Last time he was with us when we visited Tilpat. इस बार ही इज़ नॉट विद अस. तो वो तो हर एक्टिविटीज़ में ही वॉज वेरी मच इंटरेस्टेड. और आप लोगों को एक रियली सरप्राइज होगा. मैं और मुरली और भैरवा जी जब हम पटौदी में काम कर रहे थे हरियाणा में, उस टाइम पे हमने डिसाइड कर दिया ये एक एनजीओ स्टार्ट करना है. उस टाइम पे हम तीनों ये हमारे जो सुल्तानपुर वगैरह जाते थे टुगेदर. और उनको मालूम है दो our Bhairavaji could not join us in our committee, Council of Management initially because he was living somewhere else and he was little busy and he was transferred to some other place. तो वो नहीं आ पाया, but लेकिन he was with us in all our programs. So I sincerely look back at my association, at everybody's association, Vishal, Segal साहब, केसन जी, मुरली, हम लोग इतना मतलब क्लोज थे उनके साथ. तो really it is a great loss, irreparable loss for all of us. So 1 year has passed. I would like to convey to the family that we are with you. Bhagat, I would like to say that we are with you and let us continue to be. You are there in the Green Circle group. हमारे एक्टिविटीज़ को देख रहे हैं और कंटिन्यू करो और हमें हमारे सपोर्ट भी करते रहो ग्रीन सर्कल में, एनवायरनमेंट एक्टिविटीज़ में, आपके फादर के मेमोरी में. थैंक यू वेरी मच. गॉड ब्लेस यू.
Can I add something, Rajan sir?
Please add.
I still remember in a couple of the drives, he mentioned that he was doing so many initiatives. वो बहुत गरीब घर की लड़कियों की शादी थी और कितने और इतने सोशल प्रोजेक्ट्स में वो लगे रहते थे,
Yes,
which
yes.
really inspired me also, that it's not just cleaning, greening, there's so many other projects that we should take care of, and he was already doing that. So I'm so sorry I could not join those projects, but I still respect all his vision and his initiatives to be a part of all the good works which he could do. So thank you so very much. और ब्रह्मा वाटिका में हर समय भैरवा जी ने इतना सपोर्ट किया है. I respect him so very much.
Thank you very much. Anybody else want to talk?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Murli.
I will also speak something. Bhairvaji was very much regular in all kind of activities of our green circle, and sometimes, so far I remember, sometimes he reached alone in our this Krishna apartment around green circle activities, and every time he was so generous. He gifted our chowkidars a lot of things. Chowkidars told them, no, sir, we don't need. No, no, you take it. I am not purchasing it. I am getting this from commission. He was so good-hearted man. And what Vishal has told, actually, he was attached with some group. I think that was from his earlier residential place.
Yeah,
Sir,
pre-marriage.
every year they are doing some this poor girls' marriages, and he was attached with that group. He also sent me that Mr. Cycle come and join, but the things gone from our hands, you know. Now we are missing very much Mr. Verva, you know. And the day we listened it now, it was a great shock for us. I was attached for the really only for 1 year. Of course, the peoples, those who are attached with him in the long periods, they also got the very shocking news. You know.
Murli?
As Selvarajan has said, during the year 2000, 2001, we used to meet at the platform of Patodi Road Railway Station. There also Bhairvaji used to talk about the environment and how he would love to do his bit for the cause. Then later on, before retirement, I happened to join in the office in the same building. And it is a coincidence that both of us retired on the same day from the bank, and we had a joint send-off party. I still remember that thing. He's a large-hearted person. He used to mix up with everybody, very down-to-earth person, and very easy to get along. I
And
really miss.
he assured to join Green Circle immediately.
Yeah, immediately, yes. So that is why he was used to say after retirement, I'll give my full time to Green Circle activities. And he kept his word. I really miss our Ram Kishore Bhairvaji.
Kesan?
अब सब लोगों ने बोल दिया है. He was a very good lieutenant. His energy level was so high that he never used to feel tired. Even after we finished our work, he will continue doing for 10 half an hour more. We had to forcibly call him back and then end the program. He was a wonderful human being. And he told me he had a very, very poor, childhood. He used to tell me about his old things and all, and how he has progressed. That's all. Let us wish him.
Yeah. Romila, madam?
जानती हूँ. I found him very charming, quiet, and thorough gentleman.
Yes.
Even I was very shocked to know about this incident. We all miss him.
We all miss him.
Yes.
But the best thing was that when Rajan sir told about his problem, we all tried our best, as in plasma therapy or hospitalization. We all tried our best, but we failed. But that's okay. That's the family which proved it's not just one NGO, it is just an extended family that all of us were born together. We prayed for him. We tried everything. And actually, it was only Rajan sir who was doing all his bit in different hospitals, if I'm correct. Yes,
Yeah.
sir?
Correct. Acha, then one more thing I would like to say. Bhagat, his son has told me after his this departure, इनके घर में भैरवा जी का फोटो रखे, उसके साथ साथ दोनों साइड में प्लांट रखे to honor him for his activities in environment. So the family has honored him like that. Still, the plants are there. So this is one information for all of you. So,
So I just, sorry to interrupt you, sir. Can we do one little thing? Maybe at Diamond Club or maybe at any other place, can we plant one tree in memory of sir?
why not? When you are going to Tilpat, there you do it.
No, Tilpat is not going to be the place where we could continue going.
5 मिनट
And
पहले पहले पढ़ना मुझे आप। जब
No,
घर से
last time we planted some 10 trees when we had gone to, even he also has planted. That's why I thought it will be easy and it will be growing. Anyway, decide it. Decide any place if you want, you can put it. No problem.
wherever we can.
You decide it, Vishal, you can take the lead in that one. Okay. So I'm just closing the recording because now let us talk about, yeah.
Second